California's Silicon Valley provides a platform that turns dreams into reality. Okay, so nice meeting you.
Hey, welcome.
For many immigrants, just getting to America is the goal. Others dream bigger.
I'm an investor.
See? Now I'm an investor.
Qasser Yunus is one such example. Today, he is the chief operating officer of one of the biggest venture capital firms in Silicon Valley, Y Combinator. But he was once just another kid from a remote village in Pakistan's Punjab. Yunus says he always knew he could make it big in Silicon Valley.
Silicon Valley is the unique part of my experience rather than maybe being U.S. And if you look at Silicon Valley, more than half of the companies in Silicon Valley are started by immigrants.
So why don't you do a quick...
Once a startup owner himself who needed funds to run his business, Yunus is now a top executive of Y Combinator, which helps startups grow their business.
What is the target segment?
Yunus is a venture capitalist, an investor who believes a startup will succeed and lends it money in return for an ownership stake.
Pro? Is this amateur?
Yunus moved from startup owner to venture capitalist. But another Pakistani immigrant, Dilawar Sayyed, did the reverse.
The idea of making an impossible possible is the way we operate.
Freshdesk is a cloud-based software company based in San Francisco that helps businesses manage customer service. President Dilawar Sayyed says Silicon Valley is more than a location. It's a state of mind that provides big opportunities for immigrants.
I think the Valley is unique. In that ecosystem, there is an interesting mix of enabling factors that allow people to develop themselves, to push themselves, to take risks, fail often, and then succeed, quite often in a spectacular fashion.
So, what is the secret behind making it big in Silicon Valley?
One, be a software engineer, and two, try to start something yourself.
Two Silicon Valley success stories hoping to inspire the next generation of entrepreneurs. Saqib Ul Islam, VOA News, Silicon Valley, California.